Today we're gonna make waffles. So we already mixed the powder, so now we have to add an egg and milk. So first we're gonna add milk first because it's gonna be chunky if we add an egg first. I think that's enough. I think we need a bit more because it doesn't look enough. Yeah, we need more. It goes now. Crack, add the egg. Alright, now it's almost done. It's getting stickier. We added a lot of powder in here, so it gets stickier. So now my mom's gonna prepare the waffle machine, so see you when she's preparing it. Everyone, now the waffle machine's heated, and the powder's already ready, so now let's put the powders into the waffle machine. Waffle art. I think pouring it might be faster. We have to cover every spot. If there's like squares left, it might be looking bad. It will look bad if there's squares left. Alright, now just gonna close it. Close it. What carefully. Alright everybody, now it's ready, so now we can get it out. Get up, get up. So hard to get it up. I need my mom's help with it. She might help. Okay. Thanks you.
Okay, wow, look good.
Now we have to give it some toppings. And so we have these. So there's strawberries, bananas, and there's marshmallows, my favorite, and chocolate chips, my favorite. So now I'm gonna add some strawberries on the top. We have to align with our hands. I'm gonna make it like an animal. We can make it into crafts. I'm gonna make it a little bear. The eyes. I lost the eyes. The eyes are here. And chocolate chip for the nose. And 2 bananas for the cute little feet. But first we're gonna make it some mouths. And then 2 little hands. Ta-da! This is the bear. These are the ears, the eyes, nose, and mouth. Oops. And then this is the feet. Alright, so you can add caramel, maple syrup, or you can also add chocolate, or whatever dressing you can have, because like there's also like this version in the strawberry. So you can have whatever you would like. This is so sweet. Looks so sweet. This video is teaching you how to make a waffle. And if you're gonna make a waffle, please have an adult assistant because you might burn yourself. And you can do it your way. And you can follow the recipe, or you could add your own syrup. And stay safe, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.